Tawfik Shehata is the owner of Julia's Child Family Food School and also the executive chef at Toronto's International Centre. And we got him on Morning Live today because it is Grilled Cheese Day. Good morning and happy Grilled Cheese Day.
Good morning and happy Grilled Cheese Day to you.
Is this Canada's most popular sandwich?
It probably is. It probably is. I can't believe it's been a year already. And we're back at Grilled Cheese Day.
It certainly has whizzed by with that pandemic thingy. But,
yes.
Yeah. Now, how many were we making today? And are there any rules with the cheese used?
There's a couple of rules. So we're making 3 today. Just with the cheese, you want something sort of gooey like mozzarella, something like that, so you get that nice stringiness in your grilled cheese. Other than that, like I've added a couple of other things, but I've used mozzarella as the base. But yeah, I mean, go wild, like I'm going to do a little bit right now.
Okay, let's go wild.
So for the first one here, I have a little bit of quince paste, which is called membrillo. And in Spain, they pair this with sharp cheeses. So there's a bit of manchego, which is a sheep's milk cheese in there, and a little bit of the membrillo, which is a quince paste in there. And then instead of ketchup, I have membrillo. This is sort of like a double trouble grilled cheese. I've got my gooey mozzarella on the inside, and then I've got some cheddar on the outside. So you can see sort of the lacy. I toasted my bread, and then I put some cheddar in the pan. So it's nice, toasty, crispy cheddar on the outside.
That sounds great.
And yeah, I'm eating that one. Or I might eat this one. So this one is like a fun little take on nachos. So I've got like a nacho cheese mix, like a fully loaded nachos. I got some salsa and all of this stuff, you know, it's all pre-made. I didn't make my own salsa, so it's nice and simple to assemble. A little bit of salsa there. And then I got my pickled jalapenos, or fresh, whatever you prefer. A few of those on there. You know, this year is actually, grilled cheese was sort of invented, or the earliest records of it were somewhere around the 1920s. So this could also be, we could be celebrating a centennial as well.
Okay, do you know where it was invented?
It was somewhere in the States.
Oh, we can't take credit for it, eh?
I certainly cannot. I'm a little bit too young for that, but no, we can't in Canada. No. So there, a little bit more cheese on top. Then we're going to put that together, and then you're going to treat it just like you would a regular grilled cheese in a pan with lots of butter. And when that comes out of your pan, I cut it in triangles just to sort of mimic nachos. And then I'm going to take a little bit of cilantro, like you would see.
That's the first triangle grilled cheese sandwiches. I love it.
There we go. And then some green onions. So it looks like nachos. You know, if you have, you know, some ground beef and you really want to spruce it up and do the full experience, or you have some chili, or even, you know, a can of chili. So grilled cheese nachos, it's sort of the best of both worlds. You have your nachos, you have your grilled cheese. It is National Grilled Cheese Day. Doesn't really get much better than this, I don't think.
No, but, well, it does get better, actually. I think the next National Grilled Cheese Day, you're going to be in our studio. So we
that would be better, because then we could eat together.
Yes, I mean, yes, and I'm sure we'll be there when it comes around again.
I hope so.
Other cheeses, like would brie, is that a popular one too?
Yeah, brie on the inside, like brie and apple is popular, brie and pear on the inside, because brie's you want a cheese that melts well.
Yeah.
Like some cheeses that are too hard that don't melt.
Well,
like here I've got the manchego, which is really hard like Parmesan.
Yeah.
So I've mixed it with some mozzarella. So I get the sharpness to go with the sweetness of the quince paste, but then I get the gooiness from the mozzarella.
Oh.
But brie is perfect for that.
I might be talking crazy, but I love blue cheese on hamburgers, but it's probably not appropriate for grilled cheese, or is that a thing?
Well, I mean, on a hamburger, it melts anyway, right? Yeah. So again, get something in there just to make it a little bit gooier. And I think getting enough blue cheese in a grilled cheese sandwich might be a little bit overwhelming. So just to cut it with something a little bit lighter in flavor would be, for sure. Like I said, there's no rules.
There's no rules.
It's cheese between 2 pieces of bread, however you like it.
Okay. So we'll just go wild. Tawfik Shehata, thanks for all the gooey goodness this morning. And happy National Cheese Day, or Grilled Cheese Day.
Happy National Cheese Day.
Yes.
Yes.